Morning, andito tayo ngayon sa BGC. And we are gonna do some sound check. Sound check! Wala pa sila. I have the gimbal now.
How you feel?
Sakto. Kinakabahan ako sa Triumph mamaya. Ay, hindi ako ship with Triumph. Try. Okay. So. Stick. Ikaw naman gumamit yun.
Hello. Hi all. Talaga guys, na-ride on yung first song natin. We'll be using the PKO. Tama ba? Tapos, tape dahil. Wow, they really get the house. Ang galing! Matanggas na eh. Now they know the secret.
Pagod ako doon, guys. I guess. Parang wala naman tayong ginawa, pero pagod na ako doon.
Ako na mag-blocking kaya mamaya. Hi, Tony.
Yes naman!
Wow!
You're still in there.
You're still in the middle. So cool.
Yes naman!
May tracking ba yan?
Galing nito ah. Hi, Tekan.
Galing
Nice day.
Ito mo?
Grabe ah.
Ita-track kita, Miss. Lapit ka.
Bye! Ay, nasan sila?
Where is that? Ayan, ayan. I got you now.
Oo.
Magsalita ka rin para magamit yung mic.
Oh, kita mo to. Oh, dito, nakatrack tayo dito. Dito naman po mga kaibigan, sa ulo ng mga nagbabagang balita. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Samsung Galaxy AI launch event.
This is my favorite part. Kapag merong pinapauwi na pagkain. That means hindi kami magluluto. Hindi rin maghuhugas.
Saan yung mic? So my beautiful wife is saying na wag na daw akong tumuyo mamaya sa gig. Umupo na lang daw ako. Sabi ko, bakit? Tatayo na lang ako. Tapos sabi niya, chinek ko kayo yung reseta mo. Nakalagay doon, 3 days of bed rest. And today is just my second day. And this is considered a bed rest day.
Alam kong hindi kita mapipigilan. I mean, hindi kita mapipigilan tumugtog kasi ganun ka as a person eh. So, at the very least, sana sundan mo ko. Sana makinig ka sa akin. Umupo ka na lang this gig. Tutugtog ka pa rin naman eh.
Mas nahihirapan kasi akong pag umupo eh. Na ano yung energy ko, di ba alam?
Tingnan mo to, mas magaling pa sa doktor.
Pinapatawa mo ako.
Kasalanan ko ba?
I'll just tell them. I'll tell the band now.
Hindi, ang sinasabi ko is, hindi naman kita laging sinasabihan, di ba? Pero sana makinig ka sa doktor kung hindi ka sa akin makikinig.
Kaya nga, I'll tell the band. The doctor has spoken and my personal nurse has highly suggested.
I asked the doctor if pwede siya tumugtog kahapon dun sa guesting kasi short lang naman yun. Tapos sabi ko, maiksi lang, pwede naman. Eh yung kanina ba maiksi?
Tagalin mo yung, depende kung gaano mo kabilis ipi-play yung metronome. Nasa iyo yung power. Gulatin mo sila, bilisan natin yung ride home.
Maybe tonight, hold a little hope for us, dear. Maybe tonight, sa susunod na habang buhay.
Wala tayong ganyan.
And before we end, palapakanin natin ang Samsung and ang Galaxy AI. This night wouldn't have been possible without them.
Ayan, ang likod. Sabi ko
May energy ako bigla eh.
Sabi mo kanina,
Gumaling ako guys.
gago.
Rest ka na, drink plenty.
Malalaman na lang natin bukas or tomorrow kung kumusta ako after that stint.
Nasa bahay lang tayo bukas. Sure.
That's why it's okay to give all. Yung 85 ko biglang may ano eh. Pero hindi ko talaga kayang mag-super. As in, hindi talaga siya kaya. But the choreo made it. Hi guys! Thank you. Tara! Guys, weakness ko kasi talaga yung mga ganitong umuulan. Naulanan na kasi sila. Paano ako magsasabi ng no? How do I say no to that?
Hey, good morning po. Good morning po. How are you feeling now?
Is very, very deep. So we put a water bottle, his luggage in there, the huge maletas that we have, and it was passenger. Also not a problem because they're
Sabi ko, gagawa na rin ako ng pang-extended na.
Mas na umaga, gusto mo ba nung...
My vlog, sabi ni Pat magsabi ako ng good night. I guess, on to the next day. Good night.
Good night. It was a fun day. Take care of yourselves, guys. Health is wealth. Good night.